Hey guys, Adam Quas with MacTech here. Today we're showing you our new Falcon 2100 60 press brake, available for sale from MacTech Milwaukee showroom. One of the most critical components of any press brake is the CNC control and operator interface. The Delum 53 touch standard control on the Falcon press brake is very efficient, simple to use, and easy to operate for any skill set of operators. We'll show you how to program a real simple part. We'll give it a product ID, MacTech, demo. We'll give it a description. We'll call it a channel. What thickness, what material type, your bending length, how much you're putting into the machine, whether programming from inside or outside dimension, and radius and bend allowance as calculated, dictated by what tooling you're using. From there, we can simply touch and draw. We can manipulate any of these dimensions. Now we have our simple hat channel. We select our punch, we select our die, we hit bend sequence, and it's going to create the bend sequence. We can go ahead and bend to make sure that we don't have any collision. As well, when we unbend all of these, we will be given our flat blank length pattern. So with what tip, tool radius, and shoulders you're using on your punch and die will dictate how long your flat blank length is, so you can send that back to your laser so that you get accurate parts off of your press brake. From there, we're ready to start bending. This machine features a 2-axis back gauge. As you saw, it came up, in, and then went down to rest upon the die for this smaller flange. It features a high-speed approach, up to 425 inches per minute, a 24-inch bend speed, and a high-speed return. The Falcon package also offers a lot of open and strokes, so you can do deep box bending on this machine as standard. Another critical part of any press brake is the tooling. We use precision ground and hardened Rolleri tooling. It's 85-degree air bend tooling. So it comes with your precision ground and hardened gooseneck punch, small relief, a 4-way die from 16 to 50 millimeters. That'll get you from 14 gauge up to 1/4-inch bending. A riser block that'll hold standard Americans as well as your lower tool. Additionally, this machine offers CNC motorized crowning. So as this bends here and on the Y1 and Y2, the ram will actually yawn like that. So this crowning system sets a set of wedges that will match the deflection of the bed to the deflection of the ram, and that'll give you an even 90-degree bend across your whole bend length, automatically controlled through the CNC program. Another feature that's very important on a press brake is operator safeguarding. What the ACAS Fiesler system does is look at just the 12 millimeters below this punch tip. If anything's interfering there above your material height, it's going to stop that machine, whether it's a finger, a cell phone, a caliper, an angle gauge. It'll ensure that your operator is safeguarded and that your machine is safeguarded. If we take a look at the back gauge, this is a very robust system. A couple people could stand on this, not that you're supposed to, but very robustly built. It's a servo-driven X-axis, 31.5 inches in and out. Servo-driven R-axis, up and down, 9.8 inches. So you can gauge your regular flanges, you could gauge off of a previously bent part, an offset. The fingers left and right are manually manipulated. Another great feature of our machine is that it's a true Y1, Y2 proportional hydraulic system, meaning that both sides are independently scaled, measured, and controlled simultaneously through the CNC. So this machine has Heidenhain scales that are accurate to 2/10,000ths of an inch, and the ram itself is repeatable to 4/10,000ths of an inch. So very accurate and repeatable parts. MacTech has standardized our component suppliers. We've been partners with Ermaksan since 2004, but we use a very clean electrical cabinet, Siemens electric, Pills PLC modules, Vici servo drives and motors. The MacTech Falcon 2160 66 ton, 6.8 foot, 4-axis press brake is available for sale by MacTech. Don't hesitate to reach out to us, give us a call or shoot us an email. We'd love to discuss your press brake and forming application needs.